Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c : and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.